Guys, ang ganda nitong Belen. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kirkland siya. Ang ganda, diba? Oh. Ang ganda, oh. Mayroon siyang kasamang si camel. Ito. Yan. So, this is from Costco, guys. We're here in Costco. So, you know how much is this? There's no price tag. There is. It's there. Philips. Hindi yan. So, just wait. We're going to look for this. So, this is the Jesus. And this is yan. Tapos, ito yung si Joseph and Mary. Tapos, ito si mga ang ganda. Love it. So, isang set na siya. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda, oh. Amazing. Good for Christmas. Ito guys yung box niya. Hindi siya masyadong mabigat. It's not heavy. You can carry. So 13 fish set. Hand painted na Verity. Yeah, mayroon siyang Christmas de Noel. Yan. Diba? Pero kung if you don't like this, you still have option here. Ito. So this is ceramic holiday. Yan. This is 79 guys. Yeah. Ito guys pala, 99 pala ito, 99. Ito. 99 siya. Sets. Yeah. And this one also 79. Yeah, 79. It's good, right? Yan siya. Meron ding ito. Holiday train. Sila dito available. Yan. Kasi meron din sila ditong Christmas. May sounds to eh. Yan. Diba? Oh, ang ganda. Christmas decor just 99. 99 siya oh. Animated holiday. Oh, ang ganda. Matching Christmas tree. Magaan lang siya. It's light. Diba? So cute. $99. From Costco guys. That's all guys.